Did you know that over 537 million adults worldwide have diabetes today? That number is expected to rise to 783 million by 2045. Right now, 1 in 10 adults in the world has diabetes, and half of them don't even know it. According to the International Diabetes Federation, over 6.7 million adults died from diabetes or its complications in 2021. But what exactly is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic disease that happens when the body has problems with insulin, the hormone that moves sugar from the food we eat into our cells for energy. Without enough insulin, or when the body can't use it properly, blood sugar stays high in the bloodstream. Over time, this damages vital organs. Normally, blood sugar should be between 70 and 99 milligram per deciliter before meals, and under 140 milligram per deciliter after meals. In diabetes, it can rise dangerously high, often over 200 milligram per deciliter after eating. Types of diabetes. There are 3 main types. Type 1, diabetes, an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. It's usually diagnosed in children, teens, and young adults. People with type 1 must take insulin every day to survive. It makes up about 5 to 10% of all diabetes cases worldwide. Type 2 diabetes, the most common form, accounting for over 90% of cases. Here, the body doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use it effectively. It's strongly linked to lifestyle factors like poor diet, stress, aging, and obesity. Gestational diabetes, a temporary form that affects some women during pregnancy. It usually disappears after childbirth, but raises the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Causes of diabetes. Diabetes can be caused by a mix of factors, for example, family history or genetics. But lifestyle choices are the biggest triggers. Eating too much processed food and sugar, being overweight or obese, lack of exercise, constant stress, poor sleep, and even aging all increase the risk. Dangers of diabetes. Uncontrolled diabetes is dangerous because it silently damages the body over time. It raises the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, blindness, and even amputations. It also weakens the body's ability to heal, making infections more serious. That's why early action and proper management are so important. Symptoms of diabetes. The symptoms can be easy to miss at first. Some of the most warning signs include frequent urination, constant thirst, unusual hunger, sudden weight changes, and fatigue. It can also cause blurred vision, slow healing wounds, and tingling or numbness in the hands and feet. If you notice these symptoms, don't ignore them. Prevention and management. So now we know what diabetes is, what causes it, and what are some early signs and symptoms. But someone might ask, can diabetes be prevented or managed? The answer is yes. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and routine checkups all help. But the most important way is through diet. Fruits like avocados and apples and vegetables like spinach, kale, and okra are rich in fiber and nutrients that protect your health. But sometimes the body needs extra help, and that's where nutritional support comes in. Supplements like Treonane, a whole grain product that supports insulin efficiency, and fiber tablets, or all-natural fiber, which help reduce excess sugar and fats in the blood, can be powerful allies in keeping balance. Now that you know what diabetes is and how dangerous it can be, you have 2 options. Join the statistics of millions already suffering from serious complications. Or take your lifestyle seriously, eat right, exercise, and supplement wisely with natural products backed by science, offering you the best protection possible. At the end of the day, the decision is yours. To order these supplements or get more information about other health-related matters, contact us on WhatsApp or click the link in our bio.